Hi there. Today we are working with my good old motorhome. This thing has starter problems. Cranks quite slowly, but battery seems to be okay. So let's replace starter if it helps. Let's first remove the battery cable. It is recommended to remove the negative, but I remove this positive because this is easiest to access. How do I get this open? Yeah. Let's put it here. Then the starter. It's low, very low there. I think I have to remove it from underside. So where shall we start? I'll take first this ground cable out here. Okay, ground cable is loose. Then this positive cable. Okay, nut and washer. Here is positive cable. Then the small cable. Then these mounting bolts. And the uppermost. The bolt rotates and I can reach from here. Engine breather box is one way, not too much space. Then we have one bolt up here. How can I show it? Let's zoom. This one looks quite weird. I try to open it from upper side. I hardly reach there, but it opens. This weird injection pipe is on way. Since one of these pipes was replaced and it goes on the very wet road. Let's try with ratchet if it works better. I don't have enough space here. Yes, it opens. No, there is not enough space for ratchet. Have to continue with this. Okay, the last bolt is out. Now I try to get it out from here. Is there enough space? Yes, there is. Oh, this is heavy. And and the new starter in. This is heavy. Oh shit. Now it's starting to be there. It's a very heavy thing. One bolt there. Second bolt there. Once again, this engine pressure box is one way. There. I haven't got enough hands. The uppermost bolt is there. Where is it here? Then tighten this lower bolt. And my branch is here, but I have no space to tighten it. Quite annoying. Okay, these are tight now. Crowbar. The crowbar is always good. And then the cables. Let's see. Small cable. It goes here. I can't see anything. Okay, it's there. What is this? This is the injector pump. Yeah. Okay, then the positive cable. And washer and nut. It is there. The rubber here. Doesn't want to go there. And finally this ground cable up here. And I have this one bolt here that is very slow to tighten, as I haven't got enough space. But maybe I can reach with this, if I can put it under the engine pressure. Yes, yes, it works fine. Okay, it is there. That is as weird as it was before. There is small gap here. Oh, I don't know if you hear, but aeroplane is rising there. I'm living near airfield. Okay. Original starter was same way, and now with this. Maybe we should have put a nut between there. Good enough. Then the battery cable back here. Is it tight enough? I think yes. And tighten it here. And then the moment of truth. Power on. Let's wait that the glow book light goes off. And start. Yeah, it started much better. This air stick is giving strange sound. Yeah. It is working well now.